This is April 26th, Thursday, finally catching the radio, doing its noise. I just started the car from scratch, has not been run since this morning. It's now late afternoon. It's idling. We'll leave this on for a bit and see what it does. It's on AM, that's FM, see if the CD comes on. The CD player works fine. Still no radio. Not sure what else to show. We'll try shutting it off. Motor is now off. No change in radio. Engine's back on again. No change in radio. This is the first time since it's been replaced that it's done this as long as this. There have been a few very short instances, but not like this. We'll try shutting entirely off, and then we'll turn the car back on again. It came right back the same way. The wheel does adjust, the wheel buttons do adjust the sound. They do adjust the radio stations. They do cycle through the menu. Seems to be stuck in this. Turn it off here. And it comes back on from off to on at the button with no change, still doing this noise. I think that's as long as it needs to run to show that it's doing it.